Generative AI in Retail certification equips you with the knowledge required to excel in retail. Learn about advanced prompt engineering, supply chain optimization, sales prediction, dynamic pricing, image generation and manipulation, demand forecasting, and inventory management. To enroll in Generative AI in Retail certification training with Simpliaxis, visit our website, select a training, and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. Simpliaxis offers both online and in-person training options at various locations worldwide. Upon completion of the training, you'll gain the practical expertise necessary to leverage generative AI tools like ChatGPT, ChatPDF, DAL, E2, Gemini, Excel, and Midjourney to personalize product recommendations and streamline retail procedures. Generative AI in Retail training costs generally include the exam fee. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. If you register early, you can take advantage of our special discounts. Simpliaxis's Generative AI in Retail certification improves career opportunities, increases earning potential, and validates your know-how to leverage generative AI in retail. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with the Generative AI in Retail certification. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.